All right, so here we go, part two of the trade recap. Just go ahead and continue going. We're going to cover the next few days that I did, and then we'll just go from there. So here we go. So that was Wednesday. So we'll go ahead over here to Thursday. All right, so Thursday I was bullish as well because we did like a small retrace, but I was looking for a bullish, but I saw that the price action already took out these session highs, so I switched to bearish right then and there. So looking at this price action, we were chopping up again, but I entered up here because I knew that there was a pretty good resistance right there. We weren't going anywhere from there. So after that, we saw some price action chop right here, and then we dumped right here. And I was targeting these lows right here. These were just some local lows that I drew up and some relative lows. So I got a little bit greedy here. So I did switch to bearish, and then I went greedy. I thought we were gonna continue tracing down, but the price action ended up coming up, and I was still hoping for that continuation, but we just kept on coming up. I ended up taking profit around somewhere here, and that was a small take, but we still won there. Still a notable trade right there. I'm not upset with it because my original bias, which was a bullish bias, did take over, and I really should have just looked for these lows and then entered off these and really pocketed some change here. But not tripping. It's still a good trade. Wasn't really gonna be upset about it. So that's Thursday right there, and then we're gonna move to Friday, which is today. We were looking for a retrace down. So after that all-time high, so I entered right here at market open, which is 9:30. I knew that we were on that time high, and we already had previous resistance right here, so we weren't gonna go up there. So I entered off there, let the actual price chop right here. It was a little nerve-wracking there, price could just jump up, but I stay confident in my trade. So we hit that resistance, we waited for that chop, and then boom, we started getting that bearish flow. Here, let me zoom in on this right here. There it is. So we had that bearish flow right here. So I had these fair value gaps drawn up. I want to see which one it would be respecting. So we came down here, respected the fair value gap, kept on going. So we were just doing some general bearish downtrend, and our trade was hitting. So I targeted this liquidity right here. My first target was this high time frame fair value gap, but I was conservative here, and I ended up just taking out on this liquidity right here because I wasn't going for it. And then just out of nowhere, man, boom, price dropped, it tanked, bro. So I kind of got lucky here. I wasn't looking at the news. We had some news that basically strengthened the Canadian dollar, which in turn weakened the US dollar, and that's what caused that tank. But we had that bearish bias anyway, so we ended up taking a dub right there. I could have rode that price down here, but I took a safe win right here, got pocketed my change right there, and took the W. So overall, that's my weekly trade right there, and we did good. So yeah, overall, I've been taking major dubs throughout the week, and I'm really happy with my trade. So I'm just gonna continue going, continue staying consistent. I'm not gonna let the losses unmotivate me. So we just gonna keep it going, keep it consistent, and let's go. Let's make some money. Hey, at the end of the day, bro, Jesus loves you, bro. So let's keep going.